Hello friends, welcome to InfoBuddy. Today we'll be discussing about what is Covaxin. Covaxin is India's first COVID-19 vaccine candidate. India's top drug regulator, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, has allowed to conduct human trials for Covaxin. It is the first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine candidate to receive this approval. These trials are scheduled to start across India in July. Who developed the Covaxin? Covaxin is a vaccine candidate developed by BBIL. BBIL means Bharat Biotech India against the novel coronavirus in collaboration with ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research's National Institute of Virology, NIV. NIV isolated a strain of the virus from an asymptomatic COVID-19 patient and transferred it to BBL. Which type of vaccine it is? Covaxin related to which type of vaccine? Live attenuated vaccines. Live vaccines use a weakened form of germ that causes a disease. Because these vaccines are so similar to the natural infection that they help to prevent, they create a strong and long-lasting immune response. Just 1 or 2 doses of most live vaccines can give a lifetime of protection against a germ and the disease it causes. Live vaccines are used to protect against measles, mumps, rubella, rotavirus, smallpox, chickenpox, yellow fever. Inactive vaccines. Inactive vaccines use the killed version of the germ that causes a disease. Inactive vaccines usually don't provide immunity that's as strong as live vaccines, so you may need several doses over time. These are called booster shots in order to get ongoing immunity against diseases. Inactive vaccines are used to protect against hepatitis A, flu, polio, rabies. So Covaxin comes under inactive vaccines. Next. What other Indian companies are working on a COVID-19 vaccine candidate? Other Indian firms engaged in the development of COVID-19 vaccines include Zydus Cadila and Serum Institute of India, Panacea Biotech. How does Covaxin compare to other vaccines candidate around the world? Where does it figure the global race for a COVID-19 vaccine? As compared to many of other COVID-19 candidates around the world, Covaxin has reached a more advanced stage of testing than the other 2 vaccine candidates that Bharat Biotech is developing through global collaborations. The first collaborations with Thomas Jefferson University, while the second is with the University of Wisconsin-Madison and the vaccine maker Flugen. Both of these candidates are currently in the preclinical stage according to the draft landscape of COVID-19 candidates vaccine that is released on June 29, 2020. But it is still far behind in the global race of COVID-19 vaccine. AstraZeneca and Moderna are 2 companies are more far than India's COVID-19 Covaxin. AstraZeneca, whose vaccine candidate CHAdOx1-S with the University of Oxford is already in phase 3 trials, is the front runner in the world. Serum Institute has an agreement to manufacture this vaccine. Moderna, which is also close to beginning phase of phase 3 trials for its LNP encapsulated mRNA vaccine candidate with the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. How to develop a vaccine? What are the stages that are present in development of a new vaccine? These are the general stages of development cycle of a vaccine. First, exploratory stage, preclinical stage, clinical development, regulatory review and approval, manufacturing and quality control. Presently, our India's Covaxin completed stage 1 and stage 2, exploratory stage and preclinical stage. We are entering in clinical development stage. What is clinical development? What are the stages that are present in clinical development? Clinical development is a 3-phase process, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and then phase 4. Small groups of people receive the trial of the vaccine. In phase 1, testing of drug on healthy volunteers for safety. In this phase, total number of participants are 20 to 100 normal healthy volunteers. The success rate for this phase is approximately 70%. Next, phase 2. Testing of drug on patients to assess efficiency and side effects. 100 to 300 patients with specific diseases participates in phase 3. Approximately 33% success rate in phase 2. And phase 3, testing of drug on patients to assess efficiency and effectiveness and safety. Generally, the participants in this phase 3 are 300 to 3000 patients with specific diseases. The success rate comes under this stage is 25 to 30% only. After successful completion of these 3 stages, phase 4 is post-marketing and surveillance. Next, present the COVID-19 Covaxin at what stage it is and how many more stages of testing would the vaccine have to go through before approval. Bharat Biotech said, at the moment we are not sure how the vaccine is going to perform in the humans as clinical trials are about to commence. Based on the success results of the phase 1 and phase 2, we will process the larger clinical trials. Thereafter, the licensure timelines will be set out upon receiving regulatory approvals. Bharat Biotech plans to begin phase 1 and phase 3 trials in July, but it is unsure of the overall timeline for testing and approving it vaccine. Hopefully, this vaccine complete its trial successfully and comes as soon as possible to save the people from COVID-19 around the world. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.